The Script Manager tool runs scripts for automating system tasks. The Script Manager tool allows very simple lists of device configuration items to be executed in order. For instance, if I have several processors across campus that all need an updated version of the operating system to enable new features, I can write a script using either pre-made templates or creating my own from standard commands, rather than loading each processor manually. The format resembles an INI file. The section names, header, and variables are used as keywords. All other sections are assumed to be a list of commands to be run. Each section will appear in the Script Manager tool interface as a line item which can be independently executed. Within a section to be run, there can be two types of lines. A setup line uses a keyword that specifies how the script is to be run and do not actually do anything, such as the connect line shown here with the keyword followed by an equal sign, and notice there's no space, followed by some text. All other lines are considered to be device commands and are written as the command followed by a space, followed by the input parameters for that command. Each device command is run in the order in which they appear in the section. When one command finishes, the commands available can be found in the toolbox reference guide. This is different from the standard help file. If you click on the Help pull-down menu, select the toolbox reference for help relating specifically to scripts. There are several example scripts located in the help reference. You can always copy and paste portions of these into a new script to quickly get started if you prefer. To begin, right-click anywhere in the white space and select Create New Script from the menu. This will open a blank template with a few fields ready for you to enter in relevant information. There are a few default commands in the header area to start with, such as enabling debug strings, so that if anything goes wrong it will keep a log for us. Also, the abort on error is turned on so that it will continue running the rest of the script if one of the commands does not get executed. The format here may look familiar if you've used other scripting software. The lines appearing in green with the 2 forward slashes in front of them are commented out, meaning they don't perform a function in the code, but rather are notes to yourself or placeholders for code that you may or may not need for a particular function. The code itself is also divided into sections, labeled header, variables, and then one for each separate function. Let's create a script for loading a new operating system to multiple processors. If you know the command for the function you need, you can enter it in the first section, or start with one of the default templates by clicking on the Insert Template button. Since this is one of the available templates, I will choose to insert the Load Firmware template. When I first select this function, it will prompt me for the address of the device I wish to update. You can enter one manually, or select one from the address book. Then it will ask which file I wish to update to. I will select the CUS file that I need and click Open. A quick note here about this file. If you download the new operating system file from the Crestron website, it will be in the format of a PUF file, meant to be used with the PUF update tool. But when writing a script to accomplish this, you will need to extract the CUS file from the package. You can do this by creating a copy of the PUF file and then changing the PUF extension into a .zip, and then using WinZip to extract the CUS file. Click the button to see how this is done. Once I save this file, I can then click on the command line and right-click to select Start Selected, or I can right-click anywhere in the window and select Start All.